Hello everyone, more so hi to the ladies. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year. Today's tutorial is in collaboration with HerGivenHair. They sent me their 18-inch Kinky Edges wig to try out. These are some of the contents that come with the wig. This is a Coily 3C4A textured wig, a lace front with a natural color and deeply bleached knots. The wig has 3 attachment combs and 2 adjustable elastic bands. It is 100% virgin human hair with a Swiss transparent lace. This is how the kinky edges look, very kinky and natural. Before installing it, I co-washed it with my Tresemme conditioner. You can rake through it with your fingers or use a wide toothed comb. To cut the lace off, I used my eyebrow shavers and my scissors. This was my first time installing such a wig. It was a bit challenging, but it still turned out great. So from a beginner's perspective, if you do purchase this, you will be fine. If you're in the process of growing your edges or your hair in general, this Kinky Edges wig is a great protective option. Personally, I love laying my edges, but sometimes I just want to give them a break. The kinky edges give a natural feel to the wig, and the fact that the hair can be styled in various ways while still maintaining a natural look is a plus. Because of how full the wig is, it was a bit challenging to style it while it was in its dry state and on my head. So I took it off and dampened it again, parted it into 4 sections and created twists. It was more manageable once saturated with the water and conditioner. I used my Got To Be First braid to lay the lace. You can purchase this at Clicks. This is the quickest and easiest technique to install this. If you are a beginner like myself, when it comes to installing such wigs, I suggest using this technique. You spray it along your forehead, get it tacky with your hairdryer set on medium, and then adjust the lace. You can do this all at once or work in sections. To further secure and lay the front, I used this band. After that, I unraveled the twists and styled the hair. This bun maker is available at Clicks and Discam. I used a rubber band to secure the hair over the bun and tucked in the remaining ends. Keep adjusting it until you're happy with how it looks. I used Aunt Jackie's curling custard to curl those tendrils. I used a great amount of water to comb the hair into all the styles I created. The aim was for the hair to look as natural and as kinky as possible and to blend with the edges. I was not going for a full-on sleek laid look. So these are some of the ways in which you can accessorize your bun. This is the second look. All I did was use the scarf as a band and dampen the hair. I love how the edges blend well with the entire look without being laid. This is really convenient. So this is the third look. I used the bun maker again and the scarf to accessorize. everything just blended well together. This is such a vacation look. It has a Mexican vibe to it, and your edges are protected throughout the process. I did try to lay my edges like I usually do, but it did not look realistic. Doable, but they were perfect and more realistic as is. All the details pertaining to this wig and HerGivenHair's website are in the description box below. I hope this tutorial will be useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.